if you want to get started on YouTube, but you're not comfortable, talking on camera, don't want to show your face, a faceless YouTube channel may be a great option for you. For me, I don't mind talking. I don't mind being on camera, obviously. But there's some things, some theories out there that people put out there about the YouTube algorithm and things of that nature. And for me personally, I have my other channel, which is a music-based channel. So majority of the audience over there is solely for music, and I'm in the hip hop niche. So it's only going to get pushed to the people who are interested in hip hop, which kind of could stop your growth. I'm not even going to say kind of, it could stop your growth 100%. I don't know if that's true or not. And then even beyond that, you have people who say race is a factor. Now, I'm not one of those people who blames everything on race and all that stuff, so I'm not even going to dive too deep on that. But however, it could make sense. Some videos I have, people may click off as soon as the video starts, just seeing my face. I didn't even say anything, and they're clicking off right away. But that happens to everybody, so I can't even say that. So everybody has their own ideas who they want to watch. But beyond that, the power of having a faceless channel has put me in a position where I don't show my face, I don't talk. All the content I make is, I don't do anything using my voice. I don't do anything where you see me. So even beyond that, I've heard people say, yeah, it recognizes your voice and certain slang words you use and sends it to the people that use those same words are interested. I don't know. I don't want to throw everything out there and make it seem like that's the case. I do have situations where I upload a video and my videos are being scanned and flagged for things before the video is even done uploading. So I do know that there's some type of computer software that is going through your videos and doing things, but I don't want to say that that's that. I do see other creators in my same niche. Let me see something real quick, because I am working on my other content here. Okay, so I went to go do something for my other channel for a second. But my point is, when it comes to these faceless channels, I literally do not show my face. I do not talk, nothing. So it's like I'm creating a character. It's me, but I'm creating a character. And the crazy thing is, I get so much joy from it, because when you do show your face, talk, you're on camera, you're putting yourself out there, and you could deal with some real crazy things, people trolling you. Somebody might just say, hey man, I don't like your videos because of your nose. I don't like your video because of your hat, all that stuff. And that discourages people from actually getting involved on these platforms. So to me, it's perfect. I do both. But if you're someone who is afraid of that, or maybe nervous about it, anxious about it, I understand. It's 100% normal. My faceless channel is based on a hobby that I thoroughly enjoy, and I get a lot of joy just by filming content for it. It's something that I love doing, so it's something that I could do forever. There comes a time where I think, when it comes to my music channel and things of that nature, how long do I see myself continuing down this path of reviewing plugins, doing YouTube videos of me just making beats? I'm looking into the future and building a business. It's like, when shooting content, I have the stuff to do everything. And, maybe I don't want to do music 1 week, take a week off, but then the channel starts to suffer, because if you're not active, you can start to lose some of that traction you had. And the funny thing is, with my faceless channel, I get a lot of views, not necessarily as much as I get on my main channel, but on a daily basis, it is getting to the point where it's starting to surpass that. I am 25% there to get monetized. I've only been doing it for about 3 months now, so I believe as I continue to work on it and continue to go hard with it, but I do believe that I'll be monetized soon to run ads on my channel. And I believe once I do that, that's definitely going to change the game because it's a different niche. My audience is a lot older, and it's a broader audience, so I get views all over the world. It's not just focused in the United States. My biggest age group, I believe, is 65 plus. So I hear that that's a profitable niche, because that age range of people, they are older and they have, more disposable income than some of your younger people. Like on my music channel, my demographic is around anywhere from 18 to 30 is the biggest thing there. But on my faceless, it's a lot bigger. The thing about faceless channels is They can be literally about anything. They could be about finances. It could be about music. Like if I wanted to do a music review channel, it could be about AI. It could be about literally anything that you can come up with. There's services out there. You can use AI to make captions and everything for your videos, make the images, make the video. And yes, anything you can do, anything you're passionate about, you can actually go faceless with it for the most part. Or even if you have to use somebody else as the face, you could just be in the background. So I just wanted to take a second and let you guys know the beauty of having a faceless channel. I thoroughly enjoy it. And if you're somebody who, doesn't want to get on camera, I recommend it. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. And if you want to make a YouTube channel, go ahead and do it. There's many ways to get started. I'll always say, go ahead and do it. I recommend that anybody get involved with this if they're interested, because you never know what comes from it. YouTube has helped me change my life, so I'm grateful for that. I appreciate you all for tuning in out there. Hopefully you all have a wonderful day and more content to come. I didn't want to shoot another video in the park, so I made sure to do this while I was doing my other content for my Faceless channel. Oh, and the other thing, one more thing before I go, when it comes to these faceless channels, I am not promoting this faceless channel with my other channels just because I don't want to group my audience in. It already has its own audience, almost 400 subscribers. And I don't want to drag anybody over from my other channels. If you find it, great. If you don't, you don't. Because I believe that YouTube will take, okay, these people are subscribed, so let's go ahead and send everybody else that has that same interest over there. So I want to keep it to strictly people that's interested in the topic that I'm showcasing, because I'm not really talking stuff that I'm showcasing. So I want to keep it like that, so that way it continues to grow and be more natural. I don't want to get people over here. Let's say I'm talking about finances. I don't want to have a whole bunch of music people come over to a finance channel. They're not supporting the channel. YouTube's not showing the videos or pushing them because people aren't watching them. I want it to be people that are genuinely interested in what I'm talking about. So beyond that, guys, I appreciate you all tuning in out there. Hope you all have a wonderful day. More content to come. Like I said, just didn't want to shoot this one at the park. I wanted to do something different. So appreciate y'all tuning in. Have a wonderful day out there. Make a faceless channel.